Hey everyone, this is Mike from Little Shop of Nerds. Today I'm going to do a little something different with my short today. Today I'm going to taste test alcohol I haven't tried yet. My first test is Fireball Whiskey. Now, I have friends says it's good, it tastes good, so I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to open it up real quick. Alright, let's take a sniff. It smells like a cinnamon, you know those, how can I, it kind of smells like Big Red gum. So, let's give it a little taste. It's not bad. Has a little kick, but delicious. Alright, if you want to know, I give this 10 out of 10. Recommend it. If you like spice, get it. Bye.